Good day to my fellow classmates. My name is Isabella. I've been at ASA. This is actually my second semester. I've been at ASA only for 2 semesters. I recently changed my major. I was originally going to Ashford University for social work program, and I realized that that was probably longer than what I can manage, so I switched over to nursing. Um, that's what I'm majoring in now. I'm taking the prereqs and prerequisites for in order to get into the nursing program. I currently work as a dialysis technician, full time, and go to school part time. And I have a child. I have a daughter. She's 7. So yeah, I have my hands full. I don't really have much experience as a speaker, but working in the medical field, you deal with patients, and a lot of the times we deal with educating the patients and letting them know what is going on with them. A lot of the times patients don't remember or don't pay attention because they have so many problems on their hands, so they even though you talk to them, a lot of the times by the time their next treatment comes, they don't remember half of the stuff that you have told them. So you have to constantly repeat yourself. And it's a constant road of education for us as well, because we learn something new every day, so, whether it's from a patient, from our coworkers, or whatever the case may be. So I don't have much experience as a public speaker. I've never actually stood in a crowd, spoken, in front of a crowd, but working in the medical field has changed that aspect, because we constantly have to ask questions, we constantly have to talk to each other. Communication is definitely key. Because you are working under so many people. We have nurses, we have administrators, nurse managers, so there's a constant communication, and obviously you're dealing with people's lives, so you have to make sure that you're doing the right thing. And I feel in order to do the right thing, you have to constantly communicate and constantly figure out what would be the right choice for these patients. Everybody's different, everybody's bodies is different, so not everybody will react the same way to certain treatments or certain things. So we have to obviously communicate and figure it out amongst each other. Like I said, co-workers, nurses, nurse managers, administrator, as well as doctors. So my current level of confidence as a speaker, it's probably halfway, because if I'm confident in what I'm talking about, if I'm confident in what I'm trying to explain, I'll probably my confident level will probably be higher than me trying to talk about something that I kind of don't know about. So I guess the confidence level really depends on how confident you feel, because you don't want to be put on the spot. I always like to tell my patients, if there's something I don't know, I will absolutely find out. There's nothing wrong with not knowing something. You just have to know the right way of telling someone that you don't know. But you definitely need to find out, and not just leave something in limbo. So I always try to go back to my patients and answer their question. If I know the answer, I will elaborate and I will let you know everything I know. But if I don't know, I will definitely go ahead and find out for them. So that's pretty much my level of confidence when it comes to speaking It's obviously hard to talk in public because you have so many eyes looking at you. You probably, each one has their own question in their mind, and they don't know how to ask, or they know how to ask and they're trying to throw questions at you, but you're not sure how to answer. So most definitely it takes a lot of time and a lot of strategy and skill to master public speaking. But I strongly believe that level of confidence comes from how well you know what you're talking about. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.